So I'm in a Dacia Sandero, and if you need to replace the battery in this key fob, it actually may be required about once every 7 years, because it's not the keyless entry car that sends signals all the time, and it's pretty easy to do on your own without any problems if you just have a small screwdriver. So here's how it works. I have a small screwdriver. It would be nice to wrap this screwdriver in some fabric, but if you're careful, you can be good to go. So this is the cavity where you need to put the screwdriver in, and carefully twist your screwdriver to separate the two parts of the key. And then be careful, because the circuit board may fall out. Be careful and just put it aside. And now you have the CR2032 battery. You also need a screwdriver to take it out. CR2032 Panasonic. And I will leave this battery because it still works. And then holding this part with the circuit board this way, in order to avoid the circuit board falling out. Just squeeze it on all sides to make it click. And that's all. The battery is replaced.